Alright, what's good guys? A new Slinky update has just dropped. Slinky now natively supports Linux. This is in the early stages, so it doesn't work on, like every distro. There is a Linux usage guide that I'll link in the description that has some details on the limitations. For example, it currently has only been tested officially on Arch. It only supports X11, and it needs some prerequisites, so just make sure you check this guide first to make sure that you can actually use it. But once you've checked all this and you're all good to go, simply visit the slinky.gg download page. Download the loader once you've put the key in and check this box. Save the loader. And now we're going to go to the file and properties and make sure we mark it as an executable. If you're just using like Prism or vanilla Minecraft or Forge, you can just use Slinky from now. So to do that, you open a terminal where it's saved. So for me, it's the downloads. Do a dot and a /, and then Slinky loader. You can type it out or you can just tab it, and it will just inject straight away, as you can see. If you're wanting to use Badlion Client or Luna Client, there's a few extra steps. So to do that, first of all, we're going to download the Luna Client app image from Luna Client's website. We're going to do the same thing where we make sure we mark it as an executable, and we're also going to rename it to just Luna Client with no space, and we're going to remove all this nonsense on the end. Next, we're going to go to the usage guide and download the inject patch. I already have it here, so I'm not going to, but you just download this and you can just save it like so. And then we're going to make a desktop entry file to allow us to run the patch. This is necessary to use on Luna Client and Badlion Client because of like they have some like security bullshit. I don't really know, but anyway. So we're going to create a new empty file. We're just going to call it Luna Patch, and then we're going to open it with some text editor. I'm just going to use Kate. Paste this in from the Luna guide, and then just replace the example with the path your Luna client and Slinky is saved in. So again, for me, it's download. So I'm just going to highlight this, copy it, and then just paste it into here and here. Then we're going to save and run the Luna patch, and it launches Luna. Now we can just launch Luna as usual. And again, we can open the terminal and start Slinky, and it should just inject straight away. And if I load into a game here and load up a config, as you can see, you've got visuals, aim assist, auto clicker, all that shit. All the modules work as usual. I'll also just do a quick fight just so you can see that everything is working properly. I'm just using like the default aim system clicker settings. I'm not sure if these are any good, but it feels okay so far. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm not too sure if there are any other public like injectable ghost clients that natively work on Linux. I know you can use like Karma, and I think you could use Slinky previously through Wine or Proton, but as far as I know, this is the only one that works natively, which is really handy because I know a lot of people have switched to Linux because it's like more optimized, you get higher frames and stuff. And Slinky is also by far the most optimized ghost client, so you can really kind of like maximize frames that way. Hopefully I can just drop this guy. There we go. But yeah, that's pretty much the video, so thanks, see ya.